I think it goes without saying that the GAN 11M Pro is one of the most successful speed cubes of 2020 and currently the best one available on the market. Along with that, it's also highly customizable, but when you first get it, you might be confused with all the accessories which come along with the cube. So here you are. First, a quick little overview. The GAN M Pro is the new flagship cube by GAN and the successor to the 356 XS. It's a really light, fast and stable cube with corner cutting second to none. It's available at a price of 5,600 INR or $65 in 4 different types, which include frosted plastic in black and primary, soft coated, and the UV coated version. First of all, let's look at one of the most unique features of the 11M Pro. It's Super Core. This is the first speed cube that has a magnetic core. As you can see here, this core is extremely complex and features the corner to core magnets. So that means that the corner can stick to the core without the support of edges. This is what gives the 11M its light and stable feel and makes it overall a better cube than the 356 XS. Inside the accessory box that comes along with the cube are these contents: the adjustable corner to core magnets, the tension springs, an adjustment tool, and the GAN mini screwdriver. The first thing that you can customize in the 11M Pro are the adjustment of the corner magnets. To adjust it, rotate your cube 45 degrees so that it exposes the 4 magnets placed underneath the layer. Now take a GAN screwdriver and push it towards one side to change it. As you can see, it is marked as 1, which is the lightest, 2nd, which is the medium, and 3rd is the strongest magnet strength. So if I flick it towards the light setting, it is now set to light. You can do this 8 times for all your corners and you can mess around and see which one suits your style. The 11M Pro also features a magnet placement system which no other cube has seen before, the corner to core magnet positioning system. This is what provides the cube with excellent speed to stability contrast and makes it stand out from the rest of the cubes currently on the market. These are also adjustable and have 2 different types of modes. So first of all, just take out a corner piece from a cube and you'll see that the magnet put inside it has a triangular end. Inside the accessory box that comes along with the cube are similar magnets whose end are hexagon shaped, as you can see. These provide a stronger feel when turning the cube. To exchange these magnets, take a GAN screwdriver and put it here and push the magnet 60 degrees anti-clockwise to loosen it. Now invert your piece and the magnet will come out just like this. Then put in the hexagon magnet inside and push it clockwise to fix it in place. I personally think that these magnets are not actually required and the triangular ones that come in by default are actually just strong enough. And although there's not much of a difference, you can mess around and see which one suits you best. When you open the center cap, there are 2 different things that can be customized. The light blue part has 3 adjustable modes: 1, 3 and remove. To change it, you have to push down with the finger and rotate it towards one side so that the number you want aligns parallel to the side of a cube. By default, it comes on the setting of 1. Along with these, there are also the dark blue center parts which come along in the accessory box. These have the adjustments written as 2, 4 and remove. To change it, just put it on the setting as remove and the piece will simply come out like this. Now install the clear part back in and along with it dark blue if you want to. To fix it in place, just push it and fix it to either 2 or 4. The numbers on the blue parts determine how much spaces the piece have to move. For example, on 1, the pieces will feel really tight and on 4, they will feel really free and loose. The second adjustment you can do is about the clear part around the blue. It can be changed using this tool which comes along with the cube. It has 7 interchangeable settings. To change it, take an adjustment tool and rotate it anti-clockwise. You will hear a click with each turn when you rotate it. Now this large click means that the spring has come back up to the top. So with each click that I do, the spring goes down, as you can see. Now it will come back up after 6 clicks. My personal favorite setting is the top and then 4 clicks down, as it makes the cube not too tight, not too loose. Now what this setting does is that it prevents you from pulling the cube apart. The lower the transparent setting, the better it will prevent you. You might be confused between these two, and here's a really simple way to portray it. The higher the blue part, the more loose the piece will feel, making things like corner twists easier. The lower you go, the less space the pieces will have to move. And for the clear part, the lower you turn makes it tighter to pull the cube apart and making it higher, and the cube can feel really flimsy. So basically the blue determines how much space the pieces have to move, and the clear determines how easy it is for the pieces to move. So that was all about the adjustments of the GAN 11M Pro. I recommend setting it up with the corner magnet strength to 2, which is the center one, along with the triangular core magnet. And as for the center, I use the dark blue nuts set to 2 and the transparent setting set to 4 ticks from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can also use the lube as velocity if you want to, as it perfectly fits the fast and stable feel of the cube and also silences it furthermore. Overall, this is a really nice cube which is extremely stable and quick. That'll be all for this one. Stay tuned and peace out.